In today's interconnected world, cyber threats loom large, affecting every aspect of our digital lives. Businesses in Houston, a bustling hub of commerce and innovation, face a constant barrage of attacks from cybercriminals. Among these numerous threats, hybrid password attacks stand out as a particularly potent and dangerous threat. These attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated, evolving with each passing day. They can cripple even well-protected systems, causing significant disruptions and financial losses. This essay will delve into the intricacies of hybrid password attacks, exploring their mechanics and the dangers they pose to businesses and individuals alike. We will also discuss effective defense strategies to safeguard your business from these evolving threats. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, finding new ways to bypass security measures. They exploit vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data, putting your business at risk. Hybrid password attacks represent a significant escalation in this ongoing cyber warfare, posing a serious threat to all. Understanding these attacks is the first step towards building a robust defense against them. By implementing proactive security measures, Houston businesses can mitigate risks and protect their operations. They can protect their valuable assets, ensure business continuity, and maintain the trust of their customers and partners. Hybrid password attacks represent a dangerous evolution in cybercrime. They combine the raw power of brute force attacks with the cunning of dictionary or mask attacks. This potent combination makes them incredibly effective at cracking passwords, even those that are considered moderately secure. Let's break down how these attacks work in more detail. A brute force attack is like trying every key on a giant keychain until you find the one that unlocks the door. Hackers use automated software to try thousands or even millions of password combinations per second, relentlessly searching for the correct one. This relentless assault can eventually crack simple and moderately complex passwords, given enough time and computational power. Dictionary attacks employ a more strategic approach, focusing on common password patterns. These attacks use lists of commonly used passwords, often combined with numbers and symbols, to guess the correct password. Hackers leverage these pre-compiled dictionaries to guess passwords, making the process faster and more efficient. They exploit the human tendency to choose easily memorable phrases or combinations, which are often less secure. Finally, mask attacks take dictionary attacks a step further by incorporating specific patterns. They use a partial knowledge of the password format, such as knowing certain characters or patterns. For example, if a hacker knows a company's password policy requires a capital letter, a number, and a special character, they can tailor their attack accordingly, significantly increasing their chances of success. Understanding these methods is crucial for developing stronger, more resilient passwords and implementing effective cybersecurity measures. By staying informed and vigilant, individuals and organizations can better protect themselves against these sophisticated hybrid attacks. Let's delve deeper into the mechanics of each attack type used in hybrid attacks. Understanding these methods is crucial for both cybersecurity professionals and everyday users. Brute force attacks are the most straightforward, yet computationally intensive method. They involve systematically trying every possible character combination until the correct password is discovered. This can range from simple numeric combinations to complex alpha-numeric sequences. While effective against weak passwords, brute force attacks become increasingly time-consuming and resource-intensive for complex passwords. The more characters and variations involved, the longer it takes to crack the password. Dictionary attacks, on the other hand, leverage pre-compiled lists of common words, phrases, and variations. These lists often include commonly used passwords, making the attack more efficient than brute force. This method exploits the human tendency to choose passwords that are easily memorable, such as password 123 or QWERTY. Because of this, dictionary attacks can be surprisingly effective. Attackers use these dictionaries as input for automated password guessing tools, which can quickly cycle through thousands of potential passwords. Building upon dictionary attacks, mask attacks incorporate specific patterns or rules about the target password. These rules can include known information about the password structure, such as length or character types. For instance, if a company's password policy mandates a combination of uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters, attackers can create masks like P at $word to narrow down the possibilities. This makes the attack more targeted and efficient, By combining these methods, hybrid attacks exploit the weaknesses of each individual approach. This multifaceted strategy increases the likelihood of success. The brute force component ensures that all possible combinations are tested, leaving no stone unturned. Simultaneously, dictionary and mask attacks reduce the search space, making the attack significantly faster and more efficient. This combination of methods is what makes hybrid attacks particularly formidable in the realm of cybersecurity.